Hey everybody, it's me, your boy RJ. Today we're hoping to fix the gas venting problem where these overheat and you have to open the gas tank to get them to start again when it's hot out after like a yard or two. So first thing we're going to do is open it up. Get your little handy dandy Stihl tool, which is a what?
Stihl Tool.
Stihl tool.
Stihl Tool.
Yeah. Stihl Tool. Hopefully it's, I think it's a Torx 25 or 27. If you don't have the actual Stihl tool still. All right, take that dirty weed out of there. Okay, and so what we gotta get to is this guy right here. So, we are gonna attempt to just pop them out right here. Like I'm gonna need a flathead screwdriver to get in there without taking this off. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna get a little tool. We're gonna need like an 8mm. We're gonna get this out of the way so I got more room. Okay, we got that out of the way. Now we're gonna attempt to pop this out. I'm gonna go grab my flathead real quick. So we're gonna grab this screwdriver right here. Spot. You just gotta get under it.
I just need one of the smaller head ones.
Maybe. Nope, I got it. There we go. Be very careful because I just broke that bad boy. We're not in a happy spot now. Okay, so now we definitely gotta replace it. Alright. It is two parts, so I mean it could like clip back in, but that ain't gonna work. So that's how it vents, okay? So not a great system, and now I got things stuck. But once I get this off, I think we're good. There we go. So make sure you have the new one before you try to pop that bad boy off, because you is gonna break it out of the file. Alright. It's very difficult to get back in there. You have to fold it around. Turn it before you do so it goes where it's supposed to go. The same flathead, be careful on the metal, okay? And you're gonna pry it down like that. See that metal piece right there? Okay, that's an exhaust off of the tank. The exhaust gas is going back in. So that is on. You're gonna need to use your same fuel line that was here. So clean it off a little. You can properly clean it off or be a Hoosier like me and just
clogged down the
rub it on my stuff.
Okay. Don't do that.
My little trunk. Okay.
Or use an air compressor.
Or use an air compressor. You could, you can't really blow these out. Like I was gonna air compress them, but see, there's no way. See, there's a filter in it and stuff. There's nothing you can do. It's like 2 layers. It's a plastic film to help barely let anything through, and then that, and that. And let's see, can it go back together? It can. So you could save it after you pop it apart. All right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it back together, just like you had it, and then there's this right here. See this? This is where the vent goes. It connects to the back of there. So as you're putting it on, that on there. You just plug it on. You can't see it unless you came to this side. Just push it on before you tighten everything up, because if not, it'll fight you. Is that the right angle? Is that how it was? That don't seem right, does it? That's the right angle. It's the only way it goes. We will find this out here. Yeah, so it was 8mm, like I guess the first time, like I told you. I was worried that I told you 8mm was wrong, and then you're gonna all try to do that. But like, you said 8mm, but it isn't. So we're not gonna be able to test this to tell you right away if it worked. So I'll run it today and then talk at the end of the day and let you know if it worked. I don't know if it's going to. Still are poop. They're poop products, but they do have high torque. And she likes it still better than she likes Red Max. But my Red Max is going on 6 years or so. 5 or 6 years, 2017. Yeah, 6 seasons. And this is this from last year, or did we buy it new this year? This is the second year. So this is the longest one lasted, I think. where you just get tired of it and we buy a new one because they do it so much. But they even do it when they're new. Like a month or two in and they're done. Yeah, so I could probably clean that filter a little better to help it. This isn't that old. We put that filter on like 2 months ago maybe. I hope this helps you. I hope it helps me.
Or me.
Her, me, us. Hope it helps you. If you like it, please like, subscribe. I have more stuff working on mowers, mostly commercial mowers and stuff, but some trimmers, some blowers. I have a lot of car stuff, trucks. Ford Edge if you got one. I got some tips on cars. There are things you can just do on all the different cars, not just specific brands. And I got videos of me just being an idiot. It really help out in these times. But I'm gonna pass this on, you know, as I always say, as always, I'm RJ, sees that each and every day. But life sucks sometimes, especially over the last 3 years. If you know you've been one of the few people that did the right thing, the very few, stuff just keeps stacking up. It always does. Everybody's got a bucket of shit and we all got to shovel it out, but some of us just have more than others. But you just got to keep your head up and keep moving on. It's just, don't let it get you down. Even though sometimes it seems unsurmountable, things will get better for a brief time before they get crappier again. But enjoy those little moments, okay? Sorry for the philosophical thing when you're just coming here to see some trimmer work. Shoddy trimmer work, you know, not very good mechanicking. But hope this helps you. And like I said, please like, subscribe. It helps during these times. Comment below. You can just tell me I'm stupid. That helps my channel too. Comments help. I'm gonna put a link to where do you buy this?
Amazon.
We got this Amazon. I'm just gonna put a link below, guys. Go in the description. Do this. This helps me more than anything. You buy it if you need the part. What was it? How much was it? It was stupid, wasn't it?
Maybe
14 bucks.
Something stupid.
Something stupid. But it was the same price at the dealer. We just didn't have time to go there. Usually I'll run there. It's close, but I didn't have time. Their hours are not very usable. User friendly. But yeah, if I get like 10 cents stuff, maybe, you know, I could fix my truck. You know, stuff like that. Help me keep on making these videos and eating, you know, in these days. $400 shopping cart. I don't know, that's it. Do it, y'all. Keep moving. I know it feels tough sometimes. We're having a hard time right now. It's making us want to just not keep moving forward anymore. I just want to go, what's the point anymore? But the point is, you don't want your kids to learn that, see that. So you just keep going forward. Let them see you down so they can see that it's okay. But just keep moving forward, and whatever you do when you get down, don't fall in that hole, getting drunk, getting high. You will not climb out. Good luck, everybody. We're all gonna need it.